my friend. In this video, I'm gonna demonstrate on how I'm making junk journal cover. So basically this board is I think it's a cereal box. It's any kind of food product boxes, packaging box that you find it's a good size. I actually did that a couple years ago when I just started this hobby. As you can see, I was not too good at it, and I tear them off. But now I want to redo it. So I already did a half of it. And this is the 2021 Dollar Tree calendar. I'm kind of obsessed. I know a lot of people do too. Obsessed with these calendars. They are really pretty. I made some of them like wall art and gave to some friends. You can see these are expired. You know, you can either just recycle these but I like all these artworks. You know, you can actually, it's 12 by 12. You can cut it down and frame it, right? And so anyway, so I'm thinking just gonna use this one. It's so pretty, and I like all the wordings here. I think I'm gonna cut the small pieces to put in like cardboard, thick cardboard on the top, on the bottom of these, and make it thicker, so it kind of like make it like bookmark or something. Anyhow, so I already did a half. I picked the colors that kind of I want, and then just kind of fit the words into the front page and start gluing here. So I'm gonna do the second half right here. This is what I'm going to demonstrate. Okay, let's see if I have my space. All right, I don't have perfect camera set up, so the other half I picked this one. It's just because I want like same tone, like pinky color, because they have like blue, green. So anyhow, and then this you are loved. So I already kind of measured a little, not really measured, just kind of measure a little bit, and then cut it short here. So basically I'm gonna just have this together, like half here in the spine, half here, and then eventually I'm gonna use the lace to cover this up, so it will be easier. Okay, anyway, that's the process. I probably gonna make a mistake in my space. So okay, so that's here, right? The big part right here is just mirrored out. Okay, you squeeze. I'm not really in a good position camera right now, because I don't have, like I said, I don't have camera set up in a good way. I tried a couple camera stand. It didn't. I guess I got a cheaper one. It didn't work really well. So now I just got another one from Amazon. Hope it will work. This one I got actually from Target for like $5. It's right in front of my face, so it's kind of on my way to doing all this stuff. Anyhow, so you fold right here, fold here, and then you see here have like a cross, and this is where you're gonna cut it, because otherwise, you know, you're gonna do this. It's harder. So I'm gonna cut it first. It's kind of like I don't know, 45, 90 degrees, just a little bit. I don't know if you can see here. Like I said, I'm not in a good position right now to demonstrate, but okay. Right here, little crease. Okay. All right. So next thing will be gluing, and don't worry about this right now because we are gonna cover them up. Yeah. See. This, right. For glue, you can use, I prefer wire glues, you know, or glue stick. Don't use the tapes, because I think one of the problem with this one is that I use a tape. The thing about tape is that once you put it down, you can't move it. So if it's not straight or anything, it's good. Actually, these two is pretty strong. You ones can reposition a little bit. All right, I hope it should be fine. Just make this way. You want to make a crease first. Okay, oops. I think I need to make sure. Okay. So once you put down right here, see what I'm saying? Okay, Oh no, I can move it. It's just because the camera on my way right now. Okay, so all right, yeah, that's good. Before you put this, just use a credit card. I got this from Dollar Tree. Yeah, okay, that's good. I have that. This is coming with calendar too. I like that because I don't want my cutting mat get sticky. Can secure this later too. And make sure don't put too much glue. I think I put too much. Okay, let's see here. Oops. Yeah. Or at least here you can still. That's why I like these glue, because if you make mistake, you can still take it out and reposition later. I actually like glue stick best, but for some reason I want to use this because it's easier. Or tacky glue is also better. It's just this one dry really quickly, and it's already dry a little bit too on the bottom bottles. All right, there's a lot of glue coming out. Okay, so now we got a cover. See? Here, I'm just gonna use a big, I'm not worried about this right now, because we're eventually gonna cover it up, like spine right here. And here, see, it's a cute little flowery book cover. It says, enjoy little things you're loved. Yeah, I like it. And then eventually I'm gonna find something else to, let's see, I have this paper. Yeah, this is actually perfect. To cover this up. This I got a printout from Etsy. So okay, anyway, then you find another papers and then just glue this part like that, and then you will have a book, and then you can start enjoy. I felt like right now I don't want to use this paper because it's not long enough. I might just use let me see, there's something else I can use. Yeah, I'll cut it half. You matter. All right, I'll think about it. Okay, so I did pick another calendar here, and then I made covered it up in the middle, and right here there's line you can see. I'm gonna make a pocket or something that can just cover this up.